So it's 2013 1.0 EcoBoost Ford Fiesta. And I'm just seeing what's involved in replacing that Flexi section of the catalytic pipe, I think it's called. So I know you can buy a repair kit. Oh. So it's just 2 bolts. There's a couple of odd bits on the bracket. There's the exhaust holders. Obviously this is the culprit that's damaged. It's come apart. So it needs repairing. You can buy this section, or you can replace just this central section. You can cut either side of the Flexi and either weld or clamp in a new one that's got oversized pipe, or you buy the repair kit off eBay that is this section here, that like an L section that has a clamp on this end here, and then just 2 bolts at the top there. So problem is it's getting a cutting disc here, because there's all stuff either side, so you'd have to have a saw that fits in that small area. Anyway, who knows.